Hey guys, my name is Chris. I'm about to give you a review about the Bebop drone, and it is a good drone to buy, and I can't say nothing bad about it. It does what it's supposed to do. If I was you, I'd cop this. I'm going to give you my reviews by action, and it's up to you to figure out what you think of it. Well, first things first, this is a Bebop drone. It's very good, very nice. Let's see, what's that? You got your drone, you got your power pack, you got everything you need. And you even got your charger. Let's put it all together, calibrate it, flatline it.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you, 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 there with you. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.
Against all odds, I fought against all odds.